Hello, we're in Chapter 8, Section 2, Factoring by the GCF, the greatest common factor. Sometimes some of the expressions that we're going to use in science and in physics or chemistry, or in this case it's geometry, but sometimes the expressions that we're going to be using are going to be written as polynomials. And it might be useful to factor those polynomials in order to find more information about this. To be honest, to get you to that level, we have to do some really advanced stuff. So this one, we're just going to kind of pretend, all right? And I'm not going to lie to you with that one. For all the words and everything, it's just going to come down to factor. So it says Mandy's calculator is powered by solar energy, and the area of the solar panel, I don't know why I can't talk, comes out as an algebraic expression 7x squared plus x. We're going to factor this to find out what the dimensions are. Okay, so the solar panel on the calculator, and I'll give you an example. So actually no, this isn't. I thought this was solar powered. Excuse me, I don't have a solar powered one here. They're all in my classroom. But anyway, you guys have seen solar powered calculators before. Looks like a rectangle, and it's, I don't know, it's dark, not exactly black, and then it absorbs light energy, and then that's what powers the calculator. Okay, so the area here is length times width. A better way of saying it would be base times height. I like that we're starting to say base times height instead. But I'll give you both because I'm not sure which way your middle school teacher talked about it. So the area is going to be 7x squared plus x. Let's factor this to see what the length times width or base times height is. So 7 is prime. X to the second power is x times x. X is just x. And both of them have a common factor of x. So this is going to equal x times 7x plus something. Now if I take everything away here, what got left behind? Not 0. Remember, I always have the hidden 1 when I'm multiplying. So that's 7x plus 1. So for my rectangle, I would have 7x plus 1, and this would be x. And of course we could talk about other things, the fact that x would have to be positive because you can't have negative distance, and how would I know that this is the long side? Because it's 7 times as long plus 1 more. Okay? But that's all well and good. But basically these problems, the application problems, are just asking you to factor. That's all it's doing. See you in the next video.